for apple. Can you say apple? Apple. B. B is for banana. Can you say banana? Banana. C. C is for cat. Can you say cat? Cat. D. D is for dog. Can you say dog? Dog. E. E is for elephant. Can you say elephant? Elephant. F. F is for fish. Can you say fish? Fish. G. G is for giraffe. Can you say giraffe? Giraffe. H. H is for hat. Can you say hat? Hat. I. I is for ice cream. Can you say ice cream? Ice cream. J. J is for jellyfish. Can you say jellyfish? Jellyfish. K. K is for kangaroo. Can you say kangaroo? Kangaroo. L. L is for lemon. Can you say lemon? Lemon. M. M is for monkey. Can you say monkey? Monkey. N. N is for nest. Can you say nest? Nest. O. O is for octopus. Can you say octopus? Octopus. P. P is for pig. Can you say pig? Pig. Q. Q is for quiet. Can you say quiet? Quiet. R. R is for rabbit. Can you say rabbit? Rabbit. S. S is for strawberry. Can you say strawberry? Strawberry. T. T is for tiger. Can you say tiger? Tiger. U. U is for umbrella. Can you say umbrella? Umbrella. V. V is for violin. Can you say violin? Violin. W. W is for watch. Can you say watch? Watch. X. X is for xylophone. Can you say xylophone? Xylophone. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Can you say yo-yo? Yo-yo. Z. Z is for zebra. Can you say zebra? Zebra.